Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Microsoft PowerToys from your Windows computer step by step. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, reinstalling the app, or simply no longer need it, removing PowerToys is a quick and easy process. So let's get started. First, make sure Microsoft PowerToys is completely closed. If it's still running, click the PowerToys icon in the system tray and choose Exit. You can also open Task Manager to confirm there are no PowerToys processes running in the background. Next, open the Settings app on your Windows computer and go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Use the search bar to find Microsoft PowerToys in the list of installed applications. Once you've located it, click the three-dot menu next to PowerToys and select Uninstall. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. The uninstall wizard will appear, and you can simply follow the on-screen instructions to remove the application. After the process is complete, you may want to restart your computer to ensure all PowerToys services and background components are fully removed. This is especially helpful if you plan to install a fresh copy later. If you decide to use PowerToys again in the future, you can always download the latest version from the official Microsoft website or the official GitHub releases page and install it just like before. And that's it. You now know how to uninstall Microsoft PowerToys quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.